Hi friends, this is Anna and
Kelsey
with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. We're here today. My child's already giving me the evil eye here in the background. You gonna be good today?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, I guess we'll find out. So, as a lot of you know, Stampin' Up! Is having a designer paper sale during the month of October. So, the last few days I've been sharing cards made with our pretty designer papers to highlight just some really simple and easy cards you can make that are really nice when you just use some pretty paper. So today we're going to make this panel card, and my sample here was made with our Forever Greenery designer paper, which is a favorite. And I'm going to do the one we're going to make right now is actually made with our Playing with Patterns designer series paper. I've used this for a lot of projects I've shown in my videos. I haven't used this Playing with Patterns for as many, so I wanted to show you here a little preview of what comes in this set. This is a 6x6 set, and it has lots of different fun patterns. So I'll show you this side, and then I'll flip them over here and show you some of what comes on the other side. So here are some of the yellows and the purple posy, navy. So some really fun and bright patterns in this set. So I'd made a panel card like this a while back. This one I stepped up a little bit with mats around the panels, and the measurements are a little bit different from the one I had made before. So I'll tell you what we need. We need a card base that measures 5.5 by 8.5, folded in half. Now for this one, I decided to emboss the front with the Tasteful Textile Embossing Folder, which is just a really nice basic one you could use with just about any kind of project. So we need that. We need 3 pieces of designer paper that measure 1.25 inch by 3 inches. And then we need 3 pieces of a cardstock that measure 1 3/8 inches by 3 1/8 inches. And besides that, we just need a little tag to put a greeting on, and I did add a few embellishments to this one as well. So let's go ahead and we'll put this together, and we can chit chat with Kelsey while I am assembling this. So we're going to put our designer paper strips onto the cardstock, which I've already done with these 2. And yes, honey?
The sequins are from the Flowers for Every Season gems.
Are they? Do you want to stick those under there so they can see? Can you take the lid off so they can see what comes in there?
They're really pretty. Yeah.
So here I have my designer papers matted. Now I'm going to put dimensionals on the back. So there you can see what comes in this gem set. We have the white or clear ones along with the green ones.
Green ones, I already stuck one on the little pin thing.
And we will show you a trick here in a little bit for how to put those on a little bit easier.
Mom,
yes?
Something really funny that I was looking at when you did this card with this. The light green ones are sparkly on the other side. And I didn't notice that.
I did notice that they're iridescent on the one side and not on the other. So here I've laid out my strips where I want them. After I get them where I want them, I'm just going to take one at a time, lift it up, and take the paper backing off of the dimensionals, and then put it in the correct place.
Okay, so.
Yep, do you want to show them the...
These are the 2 sides. One's green and one's iridescent.
So there's 2 sizes of each of the clear ones and the green ones, and the green ones are iridescent, right? And then the clear ones are not. So here I've got the strips on. I decided to make this one vertical, and you can already see I've stamped on the inside with this really fun stamp from
Make Today Ridiculously Awesome.
The Ridiculously Awesome stamp set. And I've already stamped this little tag from the Itty Bitty Greetings set. This is the same set I used for the Sending Prayers one. This is a really nice set. If you ever have a hard time finding greetings for all different occasions. It's a really nice one. This is actually just half of the set. There's another case that goes with it. So it really comes with a lot of greetings for a lot of occasions, so that if you ever don't have something you need, it will probably be in that set. So this greeting, I think I am going to put at an angle here, and I'm just going to put a little bit of multi-purpose glue there. Lay this right on top, since I was thinking this could be a good birthday card. So we have celebrate, it's fun and bright with the patterns and the dots and everything. And then make today ridiculously awesome on the inside. Now we are going to add some little thingies. So we're going to use these handy little tweezers, okay? So the way we're going to add these little gems, I'll put some dots of glue on. And then we'll go back with tweezers. I found are the easiest way to put these on. And Kelsey's going to show us how. Let go of it. Got it? Yeah. Are you going to get another one, or am I going to do it?
It's kind of hard to get it from up there.
Well, do you want me to help?
Here.
Sometimes my videos get hijacked by my small crafting friends, so thank you for your patience if you're watching along. Can I help you with that?
No.
Okay, how about you put that one on and then I'll finish. Very nice. Okay, so you can just drop them right on this way.
Very hard.
And now I'm going to be challenged as well. So these are double-sided. They have they're faceted on the one side, and then the other side is not. So I am trying to get the faceted side up, and normally for this I would use my take your pick tool, the sticky end, but with these I was finding that once I drop them into place, yes,
take your pick tool.
Once I dropped them into place, they were not staying in the glue. They wanted to lift back up. So that's when I got these little tweezers out, and we'll just drop them right on there.
There's one more.
One more?
Yeah, right there.
Here? Yeah. And I think there's one more up the top too. So we'll just add these little gems, and then we have a little bit of sparkle on our fun birthday card. So there you go. Here is another way to use some of our designer papers that is easy. It doesn't take a lot of time. And you could even do this with scraps that you have. I know a lot of you here lately, I've been hearing from you who love to make cards out of your paper scraps. So this would be a great card to make with some of those scraps. Tasteful Textiles. I'm pretty sure we talked about that. So thanks for joining in for these cards with our Forever Greenery and playing with patterns designer papers. We will see you again next time.